Welcome back to another video. We're going to be dipping into the engine bay here, but first we got to clear up the shop a little bit. We're going to clear up the E36 that's over there in that corner. We're going to push her outside real quick, get some dedicated shop space for this thing.
Make the junior corner and get my crusty car out. That's for sale, by the way.
We'll insert some B-rolls of that thing here.
God. Sick, dude. Alright. Oh, dude, do you want a clip, bro? What do you think? You think I could?
Hold on, ready?
Look at that. Built.
In-house. In-house. We got it all pushed out of here. This is gonna be our little corner from now on. Gotta go get my toolbox from Bergy's. Throw that sucker right there. But we'll probably move this stuff another day. Maybe, I don't know. Now I'm gonna get to work on the engine bay. I'm gonna go ahead and scuff it up real quick before I throw in some more primer. Gonna go ahead and throw you guys on a time lapse or something. So I don't know how well of a time lapse that was, so I might not include it. But I did scuff the bay. It's good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and start laying down some primer. Probably gonna just lay it thick, get it over with. I actually made sure I got filler primer this time. So today is box moving day. We're finally going to be getting my box here at the shop. Finally, I can start using my tools and stuff. It'll be nice to finally get my box here and make it feel like home here at the Oz Garage shop. Super blessed to have the opportunity and the privilege getting a spot up in here. Huge shout out to Oz. Thank you. Because this is truly an amazing opportunity that I just can't pass up, and I gotta do something, gotta do something with it. Oz did already kind of clean up and reorganize a decent amount since the last little bit that we recorded for this kind of video. I did already organize my corner. I'll show you guys that in a second, but getting my box here is kind of the final piece and it'll feel good. But I'll give you guys a little quick look at what Oz has gotten done so far and what I guess we'll do today, finish up doing today. Got a lot of stuff to finish moving around and stuff today, so yeah, I'll give you guys a little tour. This is kind of a little section that we quickly put together. It's kind of what that's all looking like. Here's my little corner. Got all the new 240 stuff. Video coming on that soon. Here's a single cam. Probably going to be tearing into that today after we get the shop all situated. A little stack of wheels that I got. The E36 bags. This is kind of where my box is going to go. In this little corner. It'll probably fit right there like a glove. It is a pretty big box, which you guys will see here in a little bit. But that was kind of just a quick little shop update video clip type thing, whatever you want to call it. But now I'm going to be heading to Bergy's to unload my box before a couple fellas show up with the trailer to get it loaded up and bring it over here. So I guess I'll see you guys at Bergy's. So we are at Bergy's. We got Guillermo. We got Colton. My G. He's the one that's going to be towing the box for us. Show you guys that right now. Bergy. So currently unloading this thing. I'll pick you guys up when I'm done with that.
Line both sides straight out. Oh, you got it. Can't promise I'm gonna be good footage.
That's whatever. The only thing is being able to make this corner. Let's try to swing it. Oh, here's the lock. I don't know where my keys are. Ready? Swing it. Ooh. Hold on, pop off. Dirt. Swing it. Need help back there? Swing her a little bit. Ooh. Holy fuck, this thing's heavy. Dude, yeah, I think we're gonna need to go over with Bergy. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh man. Dude, that is very heavy. Heavy, bro. Like barely to lift it up. We might need another guy up here. Ready? You good? Yeah. Ready? Yeah. Your turn. Cinematics, bro.
Cut that.
Money.
So it'll make it easier to fucking tow because it won't be as bouncy. Dude, this thing gets so bouncy when there's nothing in it.
Dude, I believe it.
It's insane. I'm not even gonna get on the freeway. really? Slap the ramps down?
Mud load it.
Mud, dude. Didn't move!
That's so scary.
I was so scared.
Ready to move this sloppy jalopy?
Good thing with rubber bumpers.
Right.
Stay.
Make sure the ramp doesn't.
We might high center a bit. We got the right man on the job.
You got the back?
Well, I'm trying to hold the ramp too. Get your foot on that ramp.
Okay.
Good shit. Easy.
Thumbs up, everybody.
Easy peasy.
So we can hug it. Yeah, they don't air up. They're like, don't hold there.
Keep going?
Yep. Here she is, guys. Finally got her to the shop. Tucked away in my little corner finally. I might move it over a little more, but kind of like where it's at. I'm gonna go ahead and start unloading all my tools from this thing and loading it up into the box. Well, that kind of wraps up the video for today. I've got my box here at the shop finally. Feels good to have it here. Can't wait to start working out of it. But hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I don't know if it's a long one or not, but got the box here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the little setup. Huge shout out to Guillermo and Colton, Bergy, for helping me out with all this. So huge shout out to those guys. But that's gonna go ahead and wrap it up for this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Next video, I don't know what I'll be doing, but stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know, let me know what you guys want to see, what type of content you guys want to see. I will be having Stance Boy content coming soon. I'll see you guys when I see you guys.